Welcome to Sketchy. We take all the super complex stuff you need to learn and turn them into memorable visual stories packed full of everything you need to know on test day. Click the link in the corner or description to try for free for 7 days. Now let's get to it.
Now we've got the key structures covered, but we can also describe the eye in terms of segments. A small anterior segment and a much larger posterior segment. This wall projecting from under the camera lens will act as our dividing line. The area in front of the wall symbolizes the anterior segment, which covers everything in front of the lens. The anterior segment can technically be divided up again into an anterior and posterior chamber, separated by the iris. But that's getting a bit too detailed for our purposes. Anyway, the anterior segment is filled with a watery fluid called aqueous humor. That fluid is produced by the ciliary body, which you can remember by the water bottle stashed in our silly string officer's back pocket. Aqueous humor circulates throughout the anterior segment, bathing the eye with nutrients and maintaining its pressure. Excess aqueous humor drains back into general circulation through the canal of Schlemm. Phlegm? Those phlegmy specks in the spilled water that's draining down that canal should help you remember the canal of Schlemm. If this canal malfunctions and aqueous humor can't effectively drain, it can lead to glaucoma, a dangerous buildup of pressure. The area behind the half wall represents the posterior segment. The posterior segment is the cavity behind the lens, spanning all the way to the retina. That space is filled with a thick, jelly-like substance called vitreous humor, which helps absorb shock and maintain the eye shape. Hence the guard's jelly-heavy snack on the far side of that wall.